What up guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Reclaim AI. And if you've never heard of Reclaim AI before, it is an AI tool that automates your Google Calendar. So we all know what Google Calendar is. We also know what Outlook Calendar is. Google Calendar tends to be much more used than Outlook Calendar from what I know. Reclaim is able to take things that you want to automate in your calendar and just make them much more easier to do. So don't want to waste you guys time. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to click on get started, and then you're going to click on agree and sign up with Google or agree and sign up with Outlook. Depends on you. I'm going to go with Google. You can go with Outlook if you want. Okay. So it's going to take you over here where you see it. After you've connected it to your Google account or your Outlook account, you're going to click on continue and you're going to choose one. So right now it only goes with a work calendar, but if you want a personal calendar in case your work calendar doesn't work, you can go with that. So just click on work calendar. I'm going to connect with Google. And now you want to select all here so you can view the events in your calendar and download any calendar access that it needs. And you're going to click on continue. Okay, so it's connected right now to my work calendar. And you can also connect it right now to your personal calendar. So it says connect to your personal calendar, connect to second calendar to Reclaim if you have one, not required, but handy for syncing personal time to your work calendar. So you can do that, and let's just do it. After that, you're going to click on continue. So it tells you what brings you to Reclaim, and so this is where you pick it. So you say just personal use for work, team, company use. I'm just going to say personal use for work. I'm just going to click on here, and it's going to ask you to describe your role, the consultant, manager, exec, non-manager, student. So I'm just going to say a non-manager, and you're going to pick your department. My department most likely is going to be marketing, and whatever you want. Mine is marketing. So it tells you want a proactive one, so for moderately busy calendars, or reactive one for medium heavy calendars. I'm just going to go with proactive. Set your focus time low. Marketers like you tend to need 14 to 20 hours a week. Isha is able to use a predictive system to get this for us. So I'm just going to go with proactive mode and click on continue. Obviously, you can always put this to whatever you want. So I'm going to click on continue. And so it says, now let's set up a few AI powered basics. So it tells you protect flexible time for launch, work days on auto schedule, breaks, other menus. So you can select whatever you want. So you say create scheduling links to share your meeting availability. So if you do this, you'll be able to have links to share meeting availability. Don't need that for now. I'm just gonna click on continue. So you can create a team. So you can come in here and put in, email of your team and stuff like that. And if you have a team, they'll be able to get an email saying, hey, such and such will be available at this time. You want to book a meeting with them? I'm just gonna dismiss and I'm just gonna click on finish. Okay, so this is right here. I'm just gonna X out of here and like this. So right now it's synced directly with my Google Calendar. Oh, by the way, there's a deal that they have right now. I have a link in the description below to Reclaim, and so you guys will be able to access Reclaim. Now they have a couple of things right here on the left. This is what we'll be paying a lot of attention to. So they have focus. So you click on focus, you'll be able to have focus time. So your time's remaining same as last week. Focus time. This is where you'll be able to set any focus time, which is pretty much your own me time. That's what it is. Now you have habits. This is most likely where you go to. So you have a bunch of habits. You go over to templates, you'll be able to see it. So you have lunch, you got meditation, take a walk, reading, writing, morning catch up, monthly metrics review, spring planning. So you have different habits right here. And so I'm just gonna go with, let me see, troubleshoot escalated issues. I'm gonna click on it, and you'll be able to pick the priority for it. So you can pick whether you want it to be top priority or medium priority. Right now I want it to be high priority, and it's gonna ask you color and category. I'm just gonna click on work. You can always pick whatever color you want, or you can click on whether you want it to be work or personal. Scheduling, you click on it, 1 off hours, so 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all this. You can also pick any other days, and you can have this repeating weekly, whatever. You also got right here where it says other options, so you can use calendar default reminders, custom reminders, or you can disable reminders. Typically if people want stuff that is high priority, they want reminders. And visibility, you can make this public so others can see it, or you can make this private where you're the only one that sees it. So how aggressively Reclaim should defend this event in your calendar, you want to use Reclaim AI to be able to set it as high priority, or you can set it as always free. So let's just click on save. Let's just see what it does. We'll go over to our Google Calendar to view it. Okay, that's it right there. Let's click on Google Calendar. Let me refresh this. Okay, I don't need to refresh. It shows it right here. So it's on for Friday. We have it. It says focus time 8 to 12 p.m. and then it overlaps with our troubleshoot escalated issues. Then have a launch, and then we have our focus time again.
And if I go over to next week, it gives us the same thing. You guys can see it right here. So these are things that Reclaim can do. And you can always set as many habits as you want. So that's not the only one. You can set as many as you want. Another, if I go over to templates, just scroll, or you can also create your own template if you want. But you know, lots of folks who always use the one that's there. You can have them just put another one. Share customer feedback, there's another one. And I set this as medium priority. Make this as work, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and have this just like it. Use calendar default reminders. If you have it can be scheduled, remove it from calendar, leave it on calendar. Have it removed from the calendar if it can be scheduled. And let's just click on save. Okay, let's go over to here. It's gonna add it real fast for us. Okay, that's it right there. So we have space between it and we have where we can share customer reviews. So these are things Reclaim can do. And let's go to buffers. So task and having breaks. If you click on here, edit break duration, you can have it at 15 minutes. Add time, travel time before and after events. So automatically block travel time before and after events with the location on your main calendar. Don't meet this. Add the compression time after meetings. So if 15 minutes should decompress to others. So, you know, obviously you have this and use other people who have access to your calendar will be able to see it. And you can always set how long you want the compression to be. And you can do it for video conference meetings or all meetings. So I can put all meetings on my calendar and it's there. Okay, you see how it spaced it out now. So you can see the way it gave it space. Each one is you have the compression time. In the past, they were all conjoined together. Unlike in the past where you have to go in there and add all these things by yourself, Reclaim AI just does all this for you. So if you're a very busy person, this is the AI tool for you. Task list, you can come here and create a task and you can go ahead and schedule it out. Once you create the task, you'll be able to schedule it and, you know, add it to your calendar and everything like this. So it pretty much just syncs to your calendar. Everything you do on here goes directly to your calendar. Then you have smart meetings. So you can have recurring meetings on here. You click on new smart meeting. You'll give it a name like demo. You can call it anything. So color and category, you can have it as blue. And you can choose it as team meeting, external meeting, one-on-ones, or anything. So I just want it to be one-on-one, attendees, hours, and location. So you can add as many people as you want. For right now, you know, I don't have anybody to add to this. So this smart meeting itself, you know, it's almost like having your own Calendly. So you'll be able to schedule people and all that. I don't have anybody now, but I'm just showing you guys what you can do with this. And that's how you use this area right here. And you'll be able to add someone in and then go to scheduling links. I'm just gonna click on OK. I never intend to add here. And go out to scheduling links. You'll be able to set log and create a link. So if I click on set log and create links, you'll be able to, you know, share links with different people. So flexible quick meeting and everything. So for those of you that have been spending money on all types of booking apps and all that and booking systems, Reclaim AI has all that for you. Makes it very easy, straight to the point, automatically syncs to your calendar, and just does a great job overall. It's a very nice planner. I'm not gonna say it's like Notion AI, but it is one that is just very calendar focused. So hopefully you guys try out the tool. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys share this video with your friends. And thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you use the link below. It's an affiliate link. I get a commission if you guys use it. If you don't use it, that's totally fine. But I really appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna catch you guys next time.